Section number 2, basic concept of Earth-Sun geometry. Lecture number 9, basic concept of solar time. Learning objectives of lecture number 9. Learner should able to understand local solar time meridian. Learner should able to calculate local solar time meridian with standard formula. Basic concept of solar time. There is a very important concept, that local standard time meridian. It is also known as LSTM. The local standard time meridian is a reference meridian used for a particular time zone and is similar to the prime meridian line, which is used for Greenwich Mean Line. As we know, at a 0-degree longitude, there is a reference line. We are using it as the prime meridian line, which is used for Greenwich Mean Time. But when we want to know the local standard time line at a particular longitude, that time the concept we are using it as local standard time meridian. The LSTM is a local standard time meridian used in a local time zone. Shown here is the LSTM for time zone incorporating parts of Brazil and Greenland. We can easily calculate the local standard time meridian with respect to the prime meridian line, that is the Greenwich line. The formula is very much simple. LSTM is equals to 15 degree, because Earth is rotating in every hour by an angle of 15 degree, multiplied by delta T UTC, where delta T UTC is the difference of local time from the universal coordinated time, that is UTC in hour. This UTC delta hour varies from place to place, country to country. For example, Sydney, Australia is having the UTC plus 10. So we can calculate the local standard time meridian is equal to 15 degree multiplied by this 10. It is a plus, so it is a plus 10. So we get a value of 150 degree east. If the value of is positive, it means it is a east of prime meridian line. If a value is negative, it says it is a west of prime meridian line. Let's say second example is a Phoenix, USA is the UTC of -7. Then the local standard time meridian is at an degrees of 15 degree multiplied by minus of 7. It is given as minus of 7 UTC is equals to 105 degree west. Basically it is a minus of 105, but it is a minus sign, therefore we are writing here 105 degree west side. East is on the positive side, west is on the negative side. This way we can easily calculate the local standard time meridian line.